The area of Pakistan is 7,96,096 square kilometer. Number of provinces in Pakistan is 4. Area-wise, the biggest province is Balochistan. In square kilometers, the area of Balochistan is 3,47,190. In square kilometers, the province of Punjab has an area of 2,05,345. In square kilometers, the area of Sindh is 1,40,914. In square kilometers, Pata has an area of 27,220. In square kilometers, the federal capital Islamabad has an area of 906. Pakistan is situated in South Asia. In the southwest, Pakistan is Iran.